Birds. In the previous chapter, we studied about the insects. They can fly because they have wings. Birds can also fly. They also have some special features. Their body is covered with feathers. They have boat-shaped body that helps them to cut through the air easily. They have hollow, light and strong bones. Their flight muscles are well developed. They also have 2 legs, 2 wings and a beak. Know more. Study of birds is called ornithology. Feathers. The body of birds is covered with feathers. These feathers trap the body heat and keep the bird warm when it is cold. These help the aquatic birds to swim and also prevent them from getting wet. Feathers are of 3 types. Flight feathers. These are long feathers which cover the wings and tail of a bird. They help the birds to fly and change the direction during flights. Down feathers. These are short and soft feathers which keep the body of birds warm. Body feathers. They cover the entire body of the bird and give shape to the body. Know more. Birds clean their feathers with their beak. This is called preening. Way the birds fly. The height and the distance traveled by different birds vary from bird to bird. Eagles and vultures can fly high in the sky. Sparrows and bulbuls fly at lower heights. Birds like crane and swallows fly long distances, whereas birds like hen and peacocks fly very short distance. Birds like ostrich, emu and penguin cannot fly. It is because they have very big and heavy body and weak flight muscles. Hence, these birds are called flightless birds. What do birds eat? Birds eat seeds, fruits, small insects and worms. They do not have teeth. They use their beak to peck and claws to catch the food. The shape of a bird's beak and claws help it to eat the food of its choice. Kind of beak birds use: short, hard and horny beak. Sparrow, pigeon crack open the food. Broad and flat beak. Duck, spoonbill to dig mud underwater. Beak has holes, so it is used as a strainer. Thin, long, pointed beak. Sunbird, hummingbird. Drink nectar from flowers. Long, pointed beak. Crane, stork. Catches fish from water. Hooked beak. Parrot. Cracks nuts, seeds and fruits. Strong, sharp, hooked beak. Eagle, vultures. Tears flesh of other animals. Birds and their sounds. All of us have heard the chirping of birds. Birds usually produce 2 types of sounds, a call and a song. A call is a single sound like a squeak which is repeated. A song is a series of notes that follow a definite pattern. Birds give call to their parents when they are hungry and to inform other birds about the danger. Birds like cuckoo and nightingale produce sweet and musical sound. Parrot and myna can copy the human sound. Birds and their nests. Birds make nests to lay eggs. The nest is just like a house for them. It saves them from enemies and bad weather. Different birds make their nests by using different materials like twigs, thread, grass, and paper. Know more. The tailor bird stitches the leaves together to make its nest. It uses its beak for stitching the leaves. Migratory bird. Sometimes it becomes difficult for the birds to find food due to extreme cold conditions. In such conditions, they fly to warmer places. This practice is followed every year. This movement of birds is called migration. Birds like Arctic tern and Siberian cranes fly to warmer places. They are called migratory birds. They migrate in flocks and return when the weather becomes warm. Points to remember. Birds have feathers. These feathers are of 3 types. The height and the distance traveled by birds vary from bird to bird. Birds eat different types of food. The beak and claws tell us about the kind of food eaten by birds. Birds make nests to lay eggs. Migration is the movement of birds from cold to warmer places to overcome the